our watch list. We got a few here to the downside. I like this ATVI, this WTW, and to the upside TLRY. It's made a good size move this morning, but we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us today. Starbucks, we're going to take this short right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 62.12. Daily has been downtrending, and intraday it gaps down, and then it flushes for a little bit. Now it's being bought up a bit. Market is probably going to trend down, so I'm thinking this might pop the top here a little bit, but all in all, it's going to turn around. It's going to go back down, probably below 61.75. Stop loss on this will be around 62.75, and target, I like it around 61.50. NVDA, we're going to take this short right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're in NVDA, and it's squeezing. That stinks. Anyways, daily looks good for a short. It's been downtrending for a while. It had gone up for the past couple of weeks. NVDA, this thing is squeezing me. My stop loss was going to be around 145.50, but I still think this thing drops. I think this is just a squeeze. Market is downtrending here. Once this squeeze is over, it'll drop back down. Starbucks just hit our stop area. It's at our stop area here, Starbucks. So we're going to see what happens here. If it doesn't do anything, if it doesn't turn around soon, we're just going to come out of it. NVDA blew right past our stop right here. Our stop was over 145, and boom, it just blasted. So I'm not going to get out until I see a pullback. We got a pullback here. Market's downtrending, so this should help NVDA come down. Let's take a look at Starbucks. Starbucks, all right, it's coming down a little bit. This thing squeezed me too. As soon as I got in it, boom, it squeezed. You know, and the market's not even going up, you know, that's the thing. NVDA, it's coming back to us now. Market's dropping. Now I'm going to have to think about coming out with a smaller loss, just in case if the market starts to wake up here, this thing will probably shoot up again. I don't want to be part of that. That thing squeezed me hard right there. But the market was always telling me, stay in the trade. So I stayed in the trade. But now all I'm going to do is wait for the market to wake up, and then I'll probably come out of the trade. NVDA. Market is starting to wake up here, so we might have to come out of this one with a loss. We're going to come out right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out with the loser for about 80 cents. 80-cent loser on this one. Let's take a look at Starbucks. Starbucks looks okay still. It looks okay. I think I'm going to let this one run. It's below yesterday's close. Now NVDA, that one's not. It's green. So once it got green for the day, I knew that I was in trouble. So I had to get out. So I'll probably jump in it maybe later if it gives me another opportunity. Starbucks, let's take a look at Starbucks. It's coming down. You know what? I'm going to come out of this one too. I don't like it. All right, we're out. We're out for a 30-cent loser on that one. I just don't like it anymore. It's not really moving. Market is probably going to wake up right here. SQ, I'm going to take this for a short here at the ask if it gives it to us. It's pretty extended here. All right, we're in. We're in at 66.28. Daily, you know, it's been uptrending here for a while. And it's just about tapping the 200 right there. So I'm thinking it's going to find some resistance there. Intraday, gaps down. And at the open, it just chopped around for a while. Till about 10 o'clock or so. And then it blasted off. we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight green candles, you know. So I'm thinking it's going to taper down here and it'll bring it back down to, I like it at least around 65.80, depending on the market. And stop loss will be around over 67. SQ, squeezing us here. Not having any luck today. Everything I'm getting in is just not going right. We'll see what happens here though. This thing is stretched out. Should be a pullback here. I'm going to take NVDA here for another short at the ask if it gives it to us. I'm thinking it's done here. All right, we're in. We're in at 145.90. Second trade on it. We took it early and we took a loss on it. Took an 80-cent loser on it, but we got out down here around 145.24. So it's gone up quite a bit. So I'm thinking it's going to turn around here and come down. Market's starting to look a little weak. SQ is not looking good. This thing is just eating me up here. It's right at my stop area. Let's take a look at this thing. Look at this. This is ridiculous. But it's at my stop area. We're going to wait till it's done. And then we'll get out of it with a loss or a win. This thing could turn around easy, you know, just like that. NVDA. Our target on this one, I like it back down to 145 area. And stop loss will be probably around over the highs. SQ, look at this thing. Has not given me a chance to get out yet. I mean, this ain't going to go on forever. Eventually it's going to stop and it's going to crash, so we'll get out then with another loser. But you see that? That can't last. Just can't. NVDA. All right, it's coming down to us a little bit. Let's take a look at this thing up close. SQ is coming back to us a little bit too. That thing, man. I don't know what the hell happened to that thing. I think it just starts shooting up. I don't know why. But NVDA looking good here. Like to see it below 145. Maybe zero it out. All right, here it comes. Once it breaks 145, we'll take it. Let's try to take this right here if it gives it to us. Let's bring this up a little bit. All right, we're out. We're out for a little over a point. I'll take that. We needed that. We definitely needed that. But now we got SQ. Let's take a look at SQ. All right, SQ is coming back to us. Wow, that was a ride. I couldn't get out. It never gave me a chance to get out. It just kept going. And I don't trade like that. I just trade, I like to trade a little more, less panicky, you know, because that'll make you panic. When that happens, that'll make you panic. You know, I could have got out up here and look, now it's come back down. But with smaller share size, you can do this. Large share size, you can, but you have to have a lot of tolerance. I don't. ATVI, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 46.09. Day looks great for a short. Look at this thing. This thing's been downtrending for a while. Big collapse here, still downtrending. And then it found some support here and it started to move up. Well, intraday, it gaps huge down. Has a little run here, back to here, over the 9, rode the 9. Now it's about to break the 9. And I think this thing goes down hard. But target on this one will be, depending on the market, below 45.50. And stop loss will be around 46.70 area. Been a tough morning. Market doesn't know what to do. It's just chopping around. It's just getting everybody. I'm thinking. Look at the market here. Opens, goes down. 10 o'clock goes up. You know, 10:15 or so, boom, coming down again. So it's all over the place. SQ looks like it's about to break the lows here. I'm thinking it's going to break the lows and just go down. We'll probably come out at entry or around the entry area if it breaks here. Now, if there's momentum, then we'll let it ride a little bit. Right, let's take a look at this thing up close. We might come out of this a little earlier. With the loss, but that's alright. It's a hell of a lot smaller loss than it was earlier. We're at the 50 point here. The market's getting weak. Alright, let's try to come out right here. Alright, we're out. We're out for, it's dropping now. We're out for a 25-cent loser or so. ATVI. Let's take a look at this thing up close. If this doesn't break soon, I'm going to come out of it. I'm going to come out of this right here if it gives it to us. I'm going to push this up. We're going to come out of this one out. We're out. I don't like it. I should have got out of it down here, but I want a little bit more. I wanted it looked like it was going, but it didn't. And now it just gave another squeeze there. But that's it for me today. I had a rough trading session today. Really rough. But you know, it happens. Market is very choppy today. I think it's getting a lot of people today. Look at that. Unless you're going in at the right time, you're getting chopped out. Now, if you're going short here, you're getting chopped out. If you're going long here, you're getting chopped out. You know. But if you're buying the dips and selling the rips, then you're okay. But I didn't. I was going the opposite this morning. But it happens. That's 2 down days in a row. We're down 68. Let's take a look at the trades. 4 losers and 1 winner. Wow, I haven't had 4 losers in a while. Our biggest loser was on NVDA, and our biggest winner was on NVDA. Thanks for watching.